Bitcoin is about to hit 100K. The signs are clear in the market that Bitcoin is about to do it. But more importantly, the question will really be what happens after Bitcoin has reached the 100K target. Well, one thing is going to be for sure. Many people will be getting trapped and many people will be getting fooled. So that is why I need to be telling you exactly what I think is going to be happening next after Bitcoin has hit that 100K price target. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into it at short term. And yes, like I have said, well, the signs are clear that Bitcoin is about to hit that 100K price target. Of course, we have been having a look into this ascending triangle. It has been breaking out towards the upside, and that price target has been sitting exactly at that 100K level. Now, this probably cannot be a coincidence. This price target exactly sitting at that 100K level. Bitcoin liquidity right now piling up on that top side. A lot of liquidity on that 24-hour time frame is once again piling up on that top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are still relatively low. Yes, they are getting higher again, but definitely over on Binance, they are still sitting at a neutral level, which is definitely indicating that still Bitcoin can push even higher. Whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be getting overheated again, so at about the 0.1% mark, which it is clearly not sitting at, but whenever it's going to be reaching the 0.1% mark, then it's going to be getting overheated, and then maybe we can start to have a look into a correction in that imminent short term, but that is right now not the case. Now, some people are starting to panic at this current moment because yes, we are creating this rising wedge formation in that imminent short term on that hourly time frame, and at the same time, if we're going to be zooming out, well, Bitcoin is creating a bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So many people do think that Bitcoin is about to see a harsh and significant rejection from of that 100K level, and that we are going to be seeing just a significant rejection straight back towards the downside after hitting that 100K. So many people do want to be shorting that 100K price level for Bitcoin, which at the first sight might actually look like a good idea. But I actually do think this is going to be quite a stupid idea. I think that whenever we are going to be reaching that 100K level, we're going to be ripping straight through it, and we're going to be seeing a massive pump and leaving everyone mind blown. I think that whenever everyone is going to be shorting that 100K price level for Bitcoin, well, the Bitcoin funding rates will just remain to trade this low for Bitcoin. Even more liquidity will pile up on that top side, and even more short squeezes towards the upside are just going to be inevitable. So yeah, because everyone is right now interested in shorting that 100K level for Bitcoin, I just think that we are going to be liquidating everyone and shooting right through it. At the same time, the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good. They are still looking very bullish. The momentum which we are getting towards the upside is just insane. So I would definitely not go against this trend. It is easier to just go with the trend, go with the flow. Of course, the trend is your friend, and right now it is very strong. So it would be foolish and stupid, in my opinion, to go against it. Now, anyways, about this short-term rising wedge that is being created, well, Bitcoin has been creating even more rising wedges in that imminent short term in the past couple of days. But for example, have a look into this rising wedge, right? This one looks very similar to the one that we are building right now, and this one over here just broke out towards the upside with a massive pump towards the upside. We have seen one of the biggest pumps for Bitcoin right over here after breaking this one out towards the upside. So we can easily still break this one out towards the upside as well and see a massive pump right after. But okay, even though I think that Bitcoin is about to shoot right through the 100K level, we should not be getting blindsided and always should be staying level headed. So having a look into what's the next possible level of resistance, I think the next major level of resistance for Bitcoin is going to be coming in approximately at that 110K price target. Because of course, if we're going to be zooming out, we got this Fibonacci level of resistance over here. This is the 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance, exactly from the bear market low towards this peak we have we've gotten over in March, and the 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance is approximately sitting at that 110k level. Now on top of that, if we're going to be grabbing the bear market low towards the first rejection that we did get, well, if we are going to be grabbing Fibonacci levels from off this level, we got a rejection at the 1.618, we got a rejection at the 2.618, we got a rejection at the 3.618, so it is very likely to assume that we're going to be getting another rejection from the 4.618, and definitely that this level is going to be acting as strong resistance. So this is going to be that next major level of resistance for Bitcoin. Anyway, still zooming out, Bitcoin is looking great, exactly repeating history from of this fractal we have been having a look into towards right now in this parabolic phase towards the upside, just like exactly happened during last cycle. So history being repeated right now, we still have a price target of $180,000 given this MACD bullish signal. We also do have a Bitcoin golden cross happening again. So momentum is definitely very strong towards the upside. I would definitely not be bearish at this current moment. Yes, we are seeing extreme greed, but that is exactly what we need in order for prices to go parabolic. So also not really getting worried because of this signal, also not really getting worried because of the meme coin volume many people have been talking about, because also about this is exactly what we need for prices, for altcoins, for the Bitcoin price to go parabolic. So anyways guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now with all of the volatility which is going to be incoming after hitting that 100k price target, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now trade over on Blofin with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading Bitcoin and all of these altcoins. Also, with that link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses, which are going to be withdrawable. And there is a huge trading competition right now going on with that link down below. $1 million in the prize pool, so definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, still zooming out for Bitcoin. Well, this cycle is exactly being repeated. More liquidity being added in crypto. Of course, more USD Tether is being printed, meaning the liquidity in crypto is increasing, and the more liquidity is going to be coming in, the higher Bitcoin will go. So very bullish development. Spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are still very high, $1 billion of inflows yesterday. And a majority of this Bitcoin uptrend right now towards the upside is actually being driven by spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. So very good signal over here still. The dollar currency index is sitting at a massive level of resistance. Let's see if we can be seeing this rejection. That is definitely going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. The USD Tether dominance is actually breaking towards the downside, which is also a very good development for the Bitcoin market. We are entering the parabolic stage right now. Having a look in towards the RSI indicator on the 2-month time frame, we are literally entering the parabolic stage right now. And Ethereum, well, a lot of people are fading Ethereum and ignoring Ethereum right now, but actually December is usually the pivotal moment for Ethereum against Bitcoin. Now, if we are going to be having a look in towards the Ethereum chart, I think it is actually looking pretty good with this chart over here. Now, like I've said, usually December is the pivotal moment for Ethereum. And if you are going to be having a look in towards this graph, well, Q4 is the best quarter for Bitcoin, but Q1 is the best quarter for Ethereum. So make sure to prepare yourself already. I think that still altcoin season is around the corner. Of course, according to history, altcoin season always starts a few days or about a month after the US elections, so it can literally start any moment now. Almost about to enter this pivotal moment for Ethereum, about to enter a very bullish quarter for Ethereum, so looking very good. I'm definitely not going to be fading Ethereum. But anyways, with that being said, well, the Bitcoin top is not yet in. We can clearly see this on this on-chain indicator. But anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.